swing traders and the new people, please listen to the video. 2024 October calendar earnings are starting. We're at the high in the Dow. It's an all-time bull closing high. We have the SPX at a closing all-time high in the calendar earnings. Volatility is going to increase 100%. NASDAQ Composite, all-time highs entering an earnings season. NASDAQ 100 Bull Index at the highs entering the earnings season. It's going to be really super hard to drive all these indexes higher. Listen, the economy is doing well. Earnings will have 100% volatility increase. Stay tuned to the channel. You're welcome to ask me about your stocks. You're welcome to ask about buy now, pay later program. You're welcome to ask us anything that's going to power you. You heard me. You care enough about you as much as I care about you. That's an explosive winning combination with the earnings season, and we'll be talking about it. The financials kicked it off. Earnings season volatility remains high at all-time highs on the indexes. Bull in control.